What if you could build soaring towers, amazing structures, and the roller coaster of your dreams, all in your living room? It's possible with Magnet Cubes, a new toy that's inspiring discovery and hands-on learning for all ages. Magnet Cubes are magnetic, modular cubes that easily attach to one another. You don't need glue, connectors, or anything. Marble tracks can be attached through the cubes for easy rearrangement, so you can build, test, and rebuild with endless possibilities. The best part? The transparent cubes let you see all the action while you play. Magnet Cubes aren't just ordinary building blocks. They build faster, larger, and more easily than any other building system, allowing you to create marvelous designs effortlessly. This dynamic toy is fun for everyone. It challenges children to be creative problem solvers and keeps adults limber and sharp. If you're staring at a screen all day, Magnet Cubes are for you. Take breaks or relieve stress by playing with these pleasing structures and their relaxing kinetic movements. Magnet Cubes are challenging, family-friendly, and fun. Grow your collection with expansion packs to create bigger and more complex designs. The possibilities are endless. Get your Magnet Cube starter pack today and unleash your imagination.
Spending all your life trying to...
So here you are, enjoying a quiet Tuesday with all of those handy little devices that make your home a home, when suddenly the power goes out. Thankfully, you thought ahead. Enter R600, the only power station of its size with enough energy to run almost any household device. See, most power stations like this can handle your standard device. Things like lanterns, laptops, stereos, even little Cosmo here. Anything that needs 600 watts or less, no problem. But R600 goes above and beyond other power solutions. So even during a blackout, you can scramble some eggs, brew a cup of joe, or blow dry those beautiful locks without a moment's worry. So how long does the battery last? Well, that's entirely up to you. The base model gives you 300 watt-hours of energy storage. That's like running a laptop for about 15 hours. But I have a feeling you want more. So at any point in time, you can upgrade to R600 Max. This adds an extra battery module, giving you double the energy storage capacity of R600. And then there's this piece of magic. When you buy 2 R600 Max units, this extension cable allows you to chain them together, quadrupling your storage capacity and doubling your output, so you can power heavy-duty gadgets wherever work takes you. Now take a moment and picture your next road trip. Anyone with a bit of wanderlust knows power is priceless in the great outdoors. That's why with R600 Pro, sky's the limit. It includes an expansion module for attaching any number of LFP or deep cycle batteries. Your storage capacity is literally limitless, and R600 Pro will monitor your power usage as if it was all a single integrated unit. Now I know what you're thinking. Big battery, big charge time. It's a fair assumption. But the difference between R600 and other storage devices, it's 10 times faster. The battery recharges from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. That's all well and good when there's an outlet around, but Mother Nature rarely affords us such luxury. So when you're out and about, put on an eco-friendly face, because with its 160 watt solar panels, R600 recharges in just 3 hours of direct sunlight. It also solves another problem that I think many of us have. Nowadays, our bags are bursting at the seams with dongles and power adapters, AC, DC, USB, Type-C, too many. Well, you can leave those bricks at the door. R600 is fitted with every port you'll ever need to power any device. As you might expect, the built-in screen tracks each and every watt that flows through the battery. Is this useful? Yeah, absolutely. But convenient? Not so much. In this wireless world of ours, remote control is key. Now you can pair R600 with the new EcoFlow mobile app. It does everything right from the palm of your hand. Monitor your output, receive recharge alerts, check your carbon footprint, or set the mood for date night when the kids are out of the house. Long story short, R600 is your one-stop shop for staying connected on and off the grid. With unlimited power expansion, ultra-fast recharge, and so much smart functionality, it's bound to break the bank, right? Not quite. R600 starts at just $299 because we believe in building a better world by bringing clean, untethered energy to everyone.
As 3D printing technology is penetrating into more aspects of people's daily lives, we found that 3D printers have been changing and updating to meet customers' demands in recent years. We've always tried to focus on creating a 3D printer capable of providing high precision and user-friendly experience. Here, it debuts to the new beast, CR6SE. It is for pros, hobbyists, and everyone else. The simple operation on CR6SE will provide users with premium 3D printing experience and enable more new users to easily acquire advanced skills. After finishing the assembly within 5 minutes, printing starts right out of the box. Equipped with a 4.3 inches HD color touchscreen, CR6SE can provide the user navigation in multi-languages, improving better interaction with the device. By the efforts of engineers, we made a giant leap in innovation. Featuring innovative levering-free tech, CR6SE is designed with a smart sensor to truly achieve hassle-free and intelligently automatic platform leveling, greatly improving bed adhesion and print quality. It saves print time and improves print quality at the same time. To meet the requirements of professionals, we made more improvements, including integrated Mighty Molding-in-One extruder for reliable filament extrusions, modified heat dissipation structure for better cooling efficiency, and an inventive nozzle structure for better print quality. We constantly try to create more possibilities for different applicable scenarios to give you a better user experience. We carefully read all of your comments on our previous products and made the best printer yet. I'm confident to say that CR6SE is the most innovative printer we've ever created. Printing with CR6SE further.
We first invented Spireflex technology for NASA to keep astronauts fit on the International Space Station. We decided to miniaturize Spireflex to create the OYO Gym, a portable gym for strength training at home, in the office, and while traveling, to solve the #1 reason people don't exercise: time. The OYO team turned to Kickstarter to help us bring this to market, and in just 45 days, you propelled the OYO Gym to the second highest funded fitness product in Kickstarter history.
We all just got done with our group class, only needing our OYO Gym. We had a really good time. We're hot, we're sweaty, but we had a lot of fun.
OYO Fitness is one of the fastest growing health and fitness companies in the world. Our customers love the OYO Gym. Just read their reviews. However, there is one thing everyone's been asking for: more resistance. Well, we listened, and here is our answer: the next evolution of the OYO Gym, Nova. Nova is a full gym in your hands that enables you to work out where you are right now and enjoy the same benefits as weights without the weight. Powered by our patented SpiroFlex technology with 10, 20, 30, up to 40 pounds of smooth SpiroFlex resistance that feels like plate-loaded equipment at the gym. T-handles provide a better grip to control the higher resistance levels and are reinforced with steel tubes. Nova features the same type of nylon-coated stainless steel cables used on health club equipment and the fitness breakthrough no other gym has. Double flex activation, providing resistance to opposing muscle groups within a single movement, building a balanced body in less time. You can expand the range of exercises by anchoring the Nova Gym to your foot or a door. If you have the time for the crowded health club, that's great. But what if you could save time and do those same exercises where you are right now? Chest fly, back fly, bicep, tricep, lat pull down, rows, shoulder press or raise, ab crunch, back extension. Our founder of Oyo Fitness invented SpiroFlex resistance technology, which powers the Nova Gym. But before Nova, SpiroFlex was first developed for NASA to keep astronauts in shape on the International Space Station. A NASA 16-week ground study proved SpiroFlex technology increased muscle hypertrophy, or in plain language, increased muscle size as much as lifting free weights.
When I returned to Earth after using the SpiroFlex technology almost every day over 6 months, I was physically stronger in every test.
SpiroFlex technology was recently inducted into the Space Technology Hall of Fame. The Nova Gym with SpiroFlex technology enables you to fit fitness into your busy life, to get lean and fit anywhere, anytime, home, in the office, or while traveling. Build and sculpt your chest, back, arms, core, and legs. When you join the Oyo Fitness community, you're not just purchasing a workout device. You're joining the Oyo Fitness Club with access to our vast library of workout videos, including the Oyo 10-Week Challenge, in which participants achieved life-changing results. Building on the success of the original Oyo Gym, the Oyo Nova Gym delivers an increased resistance you asked for, and is quite simply the best portable strength training device in the world. The Oyo Fitness team is excited to get the Nova into your hands. We've listened to our backers. We've upgraded our design. Now we ask you to join us and transform your body with Nova.